I can't see anything, bro. I'm on WT Harris right now. I can't see the lanes at all. This is wild. I'm gonna make my own lane, I'll tell you that much. There you go. I'm gonna just make my own lane. We'll make this whole thing my middle. So this is January, what, 31st and 2026, Charlotte, North Carolina. And this is the biggest snow storm blizzard that we've had in a long time. And I got my baby, my 2024 Ram TRX out and got it in snow mode already. You know what I mean? Hit the SRT pages. It's in snow mode. I don't know why, but whenever you hit snow, it automatically goes back to auto, but it's in snow. I got it on the front dash right here. But we're in snow mode. We're on WT Harris and we're on a half a tank of gas. So we need to get some gas. And you see people running around and stuff out here. There's a Prius in front of me, no cap. I guess people still got to go to work, man. You know what I'm saying? People still got to make a living. Rain, sleet, or snow. Shout out to our first responders. So you got some cars buried over there. This handles great in the snow, I'm not gonna lie. Now I wouldn't be doing those 0 to 60s. We'll probably do some of that later on, but this handles great in the snow. Like you can't see anything. It's crazy. I don't see a street. I don't see street, you know, markings, anything. There's really no point even using the camera in the back because it's pretty much a whiteout. So we're trying to find some gas. Got about a half a tank. I didn't even see that light right there. I don't care. I ain't stopping either way. Got about a half a tank. We're trying to find gas. Let's go over here to this Harris Teeter. So you see all the 4x4s out today. People been waiting all year to bring out their 4x4s, their Toyota 4Runners, you know what I'm saying? T-Rexes, Raptors, all that stuff. People been waiting all year. See, look at this Mustang. Oh, I gotta get that. T-Rex. Y'all pray for the Mustang boys, man. He from Georgia too. Oh man, it looks clean. Probably was clean. It's frozen now. Let's see if we can get some gas. Are we good? Is this open? Okay, good. We're straight. Expensive as hell. We straight. Got all kinds of cars abandoned. You know what I mean? Welcome to the winter time in the South. Nobody knows how to drive. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina, by the way. It's so quiet out here, man. That's the eerie part about it, is that it's so quiet. Nobody's here. Nobody's making noise. You don't hear any cars. You know what I mean? Anything. You hear how quiet it is, man? You don't hear any cars whatsoever. That looks like an all-wheel drive Audi right there. So many cars have been just abandoned. I feel like I'm in, you know what I mean? Like 28 weeks later. Quiet. So we got the T-Rex here. What are these, 24, 22-inch Volsons? Velgans, I'm sorry, not Volsons, Velgans. Wrapped around Nitto grapplers all the way around. We're in snow mode. So welcome to the suck. And we're up here at Harris Teeter Fuel. And it's still snowing. We've already got about 4 inches on the ground. And Charlotte is pretty much like it's deserted, like nothing's going on. That's the crazy part. But this TRX is handling it. Obviously, I mean, that's what it's designed to do. It better handle it. So we're just filling up, and then we'll get back to it. Oh, man. So by default, it goes right back into auto. You just hit your TRX button.
KA band. Laser. GPS connected.
Hit your TRX button. Hit your TRX button again. Okay, let's hit it again. There we go. Put it in snow. Now we're in snow mode. Boom. Now we're good to go. I didn't put my seatbelt on. I'm about to though. I don't know if I'm running up on a curb or anything. There we go. We're straight. Cool. This might be a good thumbnail right here. Got the Mustang, man. Oh yeah. Everybody out here with their wheels, you know what I'm saying? Everything's off-road. Claim the Mustang though. What's up, man? All right, man, let's get to it. My man dressed like a serial killer right there. He went and got some groceries last minute. Harris Teeter's still open. My man for sure dressed like a serial killer. There really aren't any police, so we really don't have to stop at red lights. Red lights at this point are just kind of a suggestion. You know what I mean? In this type of weather. It's like we advise you to stop, although, you know, we're not chasing you. We're not chasing you if you don't. You know, there's nothing we can do. I definitely ran over something. Getting sideways? No, we're not. The crazy part is I can't tell where the lanes start, where they end, where they begin. So I'm just trying to give every driver enough space. It's crazy seeing some of these small cars out in this, but then again, you know, people got to go to work. You know, the show don't stop just because it's snowing like crazy. Like in this type of weather, you just make up your own lane. Just because, like, I can't see the street, I can't see street sign, I can barely see the street signs. I certainly can't see the markings on the street. I'm not even getting on the highway. The highway is all, well, they out there. I take it back. They out there getting to it. It's 21 degrees outside, so all of this is freezing. I mean, almost immediately. As soon as it hits the ground, it's freezing. Yeah, man, you put these TRXs in snow mode and they're just cruising. As long as you're, you know, being mindful of the gas, you're good. Yeah, the brakes are perfect. No sliding, no slipping. Now, mind you, this is all snow. This is not ice or anything like that. So, I mean, you know, in the snow, it's perfect. Ice, last week, we literally had ice. Literally had ice last week. Last weekend, this time, we had nothing but ice. And that was a different story. But snow, oh yeah, perfect. We got the college kids. This is UNCC's campus. So that's why you see all these college kids walking across. Yeah, University of North Carolina at Charlotte. I remember being in college, getting caught in a snowstorm, having to walk to the damn food line. Well, not walk to it, but hop in somebody's car and go to it. They hit me going in backwards. Don't blame them. Only in North Carolina do you have two cookouts right beside each other. Only in North Carolina do you have two cookouts. You got the new one right there that they just built, and then you got the old one right there. And people actually there, people getting food at cookout. That's what's up. Even in a snowstorm, people want their chicken strip tray. I wouldn't mind a chicken strip tray right now, I'm gonna be real with you. But I know my mom is cooking and she'd kill me if she found out that I went to cookout. See, that's the new cookout, that's the new hotness. And that's the old one. And people out there getting food as we speak. Probably a bunch of college kids, to be real with you. There's no way I'm stopping for that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yo. I'm not stopping. I can't. Got a lot of cars. Just not gonna make it. Got this car over here. Looks like this car went into a ditch. Ain't getting out. Or maybe they're having a snow fight. I don't know. Let's see if we can push it a little bit. Okay. Okay. You hear the whine? She okay. I don't think she was sliding. I just think the snow was taking the steering wheel a little bit. Because I didn't see the ESC flashing. It's moving, it's chugging. It's just moving a little slow. I'm gonna see if I can just slide, just squeeze through here. I appreciate it. That's the sound of the windshield wipers. See, people don't realize, man, people got to go to work, man. Like, we've got all sorts of, you know, essential workers. Nurses, doctors, law enforcement, firefighters. These people got to go to work. Rain, sleet, or snow. They got to clock in, you know? Oh, and you got that trailblazer just flying. Like it's 85 degrees out here. I love this truck, man. I don't care what nobody say. It's heavy, don't get me wrong. Stock to stock TRX versus a Ford Raptor R. The Raptor's lighter, and it's got like 10 or 15 more horsepower, so technically it's faster. I get that, but man, it's just something about Dodge, man. It's something about what Dodge did with that supercharger, the whine. It's what Dodge did with the interior, the luxury parts, you know. This one happens to be fully loaded for the most part. What's he driving? A Ford SUV. Snow's still coming in. Oh shit, that's nothing but ice. I need to get that ice off of the damn windshield. Pretty bad over here. Look at that big ass tree right there. Completely down. Oh wow, claimed the car. This car is completely in the ditch. Looks like a Nissan Altima. it's pretty bad over here. You can tell this is kind of the road less traveled, you know what I mean? I don't think that they've been back here to, you know, scrape these parts of the streets really well. So it's pretty bad back here. Plow, snow plow, that's the word I was looking for. Plow the streets. We got a Subaru on deck doing what they do best. Jeep Wrangler, obviously. See, this is a good time to have like one of those high visibility jackets. So if you have to pull over or something, people would be able to see you much better, you know, against the contrast of the snow. I'm saying, ain't nobody stopping at them red lights. He definitely took off before that red light went to green. Oh shit, okay. I didn't realize that was a curb, couldn't see it. That was a curb too. Yep. Oh, I see the damn storm drain now. Rear park sense. Rear park sense unavailable. All that snow. Looks like we got a bunch of snow piled up on the park sense. Charlotte, North Carolina, 2026 snowstorm. Got probably about 4 inches already on the ground, 5 inches. TRX doing exactly what it's supposed to do, no issues. Snow all packed up in the wheel well. My whole rear sense situation back here is gone. I can't, look how deep it is. Shout out to AWE. As you can see, the entire state just shuts down when we get all this kind of snow. I haven't even had to use my light bar by Oracle yet. She handles like a beauty. Shout out the Niddle Grapplers, Belgians, doing what they do. It's getting cold, I'm getting out of here. Well, that's it. I'm going home. I'm getting out of this. It's getting wild. So it's been your boy Knockout 360. This is what, Snowstorm Snowstormageddon 2026 Charlotte, North Carolina edition, January 31st. If you're looking for a TRX and you're curious whether or not it does well in the snow and the cold weather, take my word for it, it does. It does perfectly, no issues whatsoever. As always, been your boy Knockout 360. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.